In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to buy in Spanish present tense. The verb to buy in Spanish is
comprar,
and this verb is regular Spanish verb that finish in AR. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I buy.
yo compro,
You buy.
tú compras,
He, she buys.
él, ella compra,
We buy.
nosotros compramos,
You buy.
vosotros compráis,
They buy.
ellos, ellas compran.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. You buy new clothes every week.
Compro ropa nueva todas las semanas.
Does she buy shoes every month?
¿Ella compra zapatos todos los meses?
We don't buy underwear once a year.
No compramos ropa interior una vez al año.
I buy food daily.
Compro comida a diario, todos los días.
He buys new Christmas decoration once per year.
¿Compra decoración de Navidad una vez al año?
Do they buy cigarettes?
¿Compran cigarros?
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.